In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to change your style in Basketball Zero. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. Styles can be changed by going over to the Styles menu before going into a match. So if you head over to Styles, you can see all of them here. The style that you currently have is going to appear here at the left, and you can lock it or unlock it, and you can see a description. So for example, I currently have Fetch, which is an epic style. In order for you to acquire different styles, you will have to use spins, either normal ones or lucky ones, and you will have these chances displayed here of acquiring a specific one, or rather a specific rarity. So for example, if I use a normal spin, I will have 0.5% chance of getting a mythic, which can be any of these ones displayed here. If I do a lucky spin, I will have a 5% chance of a mythic instead. If you click on a specific one within a tier, you will have slightly higher odds. So for example, because I clicked on Giant, I will have a higher chance to get this one specifically, which can help if you want a specific one. If you don't have any specific one that you want, you can just leave it blank. So all that you have to do now is use your spins. When you join the experience, you will have 5 spins to begin with, but after you use all of them, they are going to cost $2,000, or you can use Robux here to purchase style spins. There is a pity system. This means that after a specific amount of spins, in this case 50 for the normal ones, you are guaranteed to have something here. And for lucky spins, it is going to be 75. The way that this system works is that as soon as you spin and you land on any rarity, even if it is a lower rarity than the current one that you have, it will replace this style that you have equipped. If you want to keep this style, you can lock it, and then you can purchase additional slots. This means that you will not lose the one that you currently have equipped on this slot. You can purchase a lot of slots here to keep most of the styles that you don't want to lose. And I hope I was able to help you. If this video helped you, please consider subscribing. As you can see, according to our channel metrics, 83% of the people watching our videos are not subscribed. By subscribing, you can help us make higher quality videos. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.